Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. In today's video you will find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, divergence and MACD are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the Ethereum hourly time frame, the price moved quickly to the downside with around 4.3% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 19.33. However, the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 100 SMA downwards. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. The current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 100 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 19.83. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 19.94. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Searching for divergence in the hourly time frame, owing to the bearish divergence, the price has already gone down. Looking at the hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 50 SMA downwards, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. At the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 19.30, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 19.89 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 19.92. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Moving to the 3-hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 200 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 17.85, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 19.62 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is now in the daily ribbon, so you should see if the ribbon could hold support, currently at around 18.35. The support should be relatively strong, seeing as the ribbon is spread out. Looking at the daily MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently indecisive, so consolidation for some time or shifting the momentum could be expected, and it is to wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and the pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.